The Public Utility Commission regulates the state's electric, telecommunications, water, and wastewater utilities to promote a high-quality infrastructure and to protect the customers of the state of Texas. When we're called to the State Operations Center, something has gone wrong and there are people without power. My job when activated is to relay information from whatever utility happens to be affected to the appropriate folks within the State Operations Center. The planners, the SOC manager, the other folks in the infrastructure branch, which the PUC is a part of, I keep them apprised of where there's power and where there's not. One of the other things I do is coordinate response when there are critical care facilities such as hospitals, retirement communities, respite homes, things of that nature. Utilities usually have these facilities on a list which tells them that these are the folks that have to get restored as quickly as possible. The utility will give me an estimated time so that the community can plan on whether or not that hospital will be available. There were approximately 9 tornadoes that the National Weather Service had recognized went through the Dallas area. One of which was an EF3 tornado, which did pretty significant damage to an urban area of North Dallas. At peak, Encore, the local utility in the Dallas area, had about 120,000 individuals without power. They had so much significant infrastructure damage on the distribution side that they activated their mutual assistance groups, and between their contractors, their staff, and the mutual assistance groups, they have 4,500 different employees in the field working on restoration. The damage was significant enough that neighborhoods had to be restored together at once, meaning all the poles, the transformers, the vegetation had to be cleared. All of this had to be done before they could rerun the wires. When there is a significant outage, when you have lines down, there are a number of OSHA rules as well as company rules and policies that require how alignment acts when restoring power to a particular area, when reacting to down lines. Utility A is never going to approach Utility B's line and do anything with it because Utility A does not have communication with Utility B. They don't know if that line is energized, if there's backfeed, if there's anything going on. So Utility A may drive up and see a down power line, but it belongs to Utility B, and until Utility B gets there, it's not going to be moved. Safety of both the public and their employees is one of the most critical things these utilities look at on a daily basis. Never approach down power lines or vegetation that is around down power lines. If there is a power line that is down and energized, it may be energizing anything it's touching. For your own safety, get out of the area and call 911.